The skin is a fascinating organ. It's the largest organ in the body. And today, I, Dr. Rajdeep Mysore, am going to explain to you about the skin barrier. The skin barrier is the first line of defense for the human body. So it literally forms a barrier and blocks out bacteria, virus, fungi, pollution, dust, allergens and so many other things which can cause havoc in the body. So what is this skin barrier? Skin barrier is something that's formed by cells, living cells, dead cells, fibers, etc. There are so many components of the skin barrier. And there are so many functions of the skin barrier. The skin barrier has openings to let out sweat, to let out oil. So it has an excretory function. So unwanted substances can be thrown out in the sweat. Then it has a temperature regulatory function. So by sweating, it brings down the body temperature. So when it's too hot, you'll start sweating. So that evaporation of the sweat will bring down the body temperature. Then the barrier function, that is, it is a physical barrier. It's like having a wall that prevents bacteria, fungus, virus, pollution, allergens and other things from entering inside the body. And when does this barrier get damaged? Any damage to the skin can cause damage to the skin barrier. Those who have very dry skin start getting cracks in the skin. That is one of the common conditions where skin barrier is damaged. Those who have eczema, so they also start having blisters on the skin. So there also we have skin barrier damage. Those who have atopic dermatitis, which is also a type of eczema, that is one of the most common causes of skin barrier damage in children. And multiple other inflammatory and infectious conditions which affect the skin damage the skin barrier. So how do we repair this? We repair this by first treating that condition which is causing inflammation. We may give some anti-inflammatory creams. Then we give moisturizers because dryness is the commonest cause of skin barrier damage. And then we give something called occlusives. Occlusives are a type of moisturizer like Vaseline for example, or petroleum jelly for example, which forms a layer on the skin and prevents the moisture inside the skin from escaping. So skin barrier is a very complex thing. It has immune system functions, it has temperature regulatory functions, and it has the barrier, physical barrier function which prevents the body from being exposed to so many environmental factors.